Hi everyone, it's Cecilia. Today I have a tutorial for you using our new limited edition loose shadow Decade. Now Decade is a shimmery light peachy champagne color. So the first time that I saw Decade, I saw how shimmery it was and I thought it would be a really good eyeshadow topper. So that's how I'm going to use it today. So the first color that I'm using is actually not an eyeshadow, it's a blush. This is Juniper. And start that on my crease. So for the next color that I'll use, it is our Keller Mineral Blush. It's from our pink collection that released back in October. This is one of our flat brushes here, so I can pack it onto the lid. And with my same brush, I'm going to blend it. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take one of my favorite shades, Touches. It's a purple shadow, and purple is my favorite color. Now for the star of the tutorial is Decade. And to apply it, I'm going to use the same brush that I used to apply Keller. It's already got the pink top of any excess. And here is, just going to, oops, look at that. Now use our blending brush, blend out the edges, and that is the look. To finish the eyes, I added some more Duchess to the lower lash line and just make it a little bit darker. And I also applied a coat of our 100% Lash Mascara in black. And for the rest of my makeup, I used our Sunkissed bronzer. For blush, I used Sadie, and for my lips, I used Belle. Like I said, Decade was limited edition for New Year's only. It did sell out already, unfortunately. Sorry about that. But we do have other great alternatives that you could try. If you like the shade of it, which is like a light peachy shade, our loose shadow A-Team is the closest in color. And if you like the shimmer, those shadows are Georgia and Ginger. They are a bit more shimmery, but not as much as this one. I want to wish you all a Happy New Year and a Happy New Decade.